buy Bitcoin now, specifically buy Bitcoin before Friday, as you're going to be getting some guaranteed lock-ins. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about Bitcoin and why you should be loading up on some Bitcoin in the next couple of days, basically next couple of hours. A bunch of exciting things happening out in the market, but first in the highlight, first of all, Bitcoin is at $58,500, which is a pretty low amount. It keeps pushing past its resistance of $58,000, and again, this is causing bearish momentum. Here's the thing: for the first time in your life, bearish momentum is good because it's giving you an opportunity to load up on Bitcoin at these superb low prices and basically get some guaranteed lock-in prices. I can almost promise you guys, if there's a website to bet on prices of cryptocurrencies, I can promise you by Friday we're back to $60,000, if not $62,000. So depending on how much money you put in there, let's just say for example's sake, you bought one Bitcoin, you have $58,000 laying around, you're guaranteed making $2,000, right? And let's just say you took a tenth of that, you put $6,000 in, you're guaranteed locking in a $200-$300 gain on Bitcoin. Not only that, just long-term buying and holding Bitcoin right now, this is a great price entry point. There's a couple things I want to highlight, but before we get into that, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, and we try to bring you daily crypto content. That's Savannah, 4 or 5 creators on this channel, bring you the cutting-edge crypto videos, so smash the subscribe button down below. Overall market looking kind of shaky. We're down 3%. Fear and greed index at 43, basically at fear. But again, I think there's some news that's going to come and bring this to some bullish behaviors. So if you haven't loaded up on Bitcoin, now's a chance to buy. Bitcoin, even though it's down, trending at number 1 on the trending tab for CoinMarketCap. In the past 30 days, we're down about to nearly 10%. So again, that's in my eyes, that's a 10% discount that's guaranteed going to pop back up. So you'd be a fool almost not to invest in Bitcoin at this time, especially if you're already a holder. May as well lower your average entry price. And again, a bunch of bullish news coming in. On the day, we're down 4%, right? And I'm telling you, by Friday, this spikes back to $62,000. Mark my words. On the month, we're down a whopping 8%. We even see today's Bitcoin TLDR. MTGov BitGo wallet contains 2.19 billion worth of Bitcoin. Was open in August 2024. We can see Marathon Digital's largest publicly traded Bitcoin miner announced a 250 million raise to support corporate initiatives. In August, Meta Planet, a Japanese listed company, invested $3.3 million in Bitcoin, bringing their total holdings to 303 Bitcoin. Very bullish. The potential launch of a CBBTC by Coinbase has sparked excitement among crypto enthusiasts, with CBBTC potentially emerging as a direct competitor to WBTC. In the last 24-hour, Bitcoin price moved plus 3% to 60K. But again, this is not accurate anymore because we're down to 58.5, which again, not too shabby. Going over to technical reports, again, we're seeing some bearish reports, strong selling, also is neutral, summary giving us an overall sell, but I think there's still some tremendous opportunity here. Okay, we are here, be ready. And again, realistically speaking, people are saying the bull market is over, but honestly, in my opinion, the bull market hasn't begun. It hasn't even broken past its all-time highs, which is done time and time again at every bull market, and the markets are completely different. So anticipating this bull run to be even crazier than the last. We see major banks buying Bitcoin ETFs, 2.8 trillion Goldman Sachs, 1.4 Morgan Stanley, 600 billion Wells Fargo. Are you paying attention? The big guys are loading up on BTC ETFs and BTC as a whole. So again, as a retail investor, we should be as well. BlackRock buys 569 Bitcoin every and Friday. They keep loading up and growing their position. Just in, U.S. Bitcoin tax-free zone will make U.S. leader of the global digital economy, says political group USA BTC. Tax-free transactions and no capital gains. Guys, for the first time ever, people might be starting to come to the United States rather than leaving the United States or North America to be in a tax-free haven zone. If this actually falls through, this could be absolutely bullish for crypto, and very bullish for the U.S. economy as a whole. Bitcoin back to 61,000, me entering 2 hours later. I thought this was just a funny meme to retweet, because like that's literally me. Every time we're dipping, I'm buying. We're dipping, I'm buying, loading up my position, making my position stronger and stronger, and on those green days, taking some profits. Again, guys, there's no shame in taking profits. Where the shame comes is when you sell on the red day, so don't be that guy. BTC $9,000 target. Again, I'm very bullish with 6-figure Bitcoin. I've been calling this and screaming this out from the rafters for some time now, so that's definitely imminent. We see breaking news: MetaMask has launched a debit card in partnership with MasterCard. So again, that's pretty bullish as well. Not necessarily Bitcoin news, but great news for the overall crypto markets. History has repeated itself, and we're seeing some targets drawing out. $70,000 zones coming very, very soon. 1.4 trillion Morgan Stanley just bought 187 million Bitcoin ETFs, its own portfolio, so that's bullish. Breaking news, major US banks bought $500 million worth of Bitcoin. Again, very, very bullish. We've seen time and time again, the big dogs are loading up on Bitcoin, right? News, Bitcoin is now the top 6 monetary asset in the world, just under Japan, China, USD, and gold. And I don't know why I skipped Eurozone, but Eurozone as well. Taking over UK, silver, Switzerland, India, Australia, Russia, Hong Kong. Absolutely bullish, right? And then again, this is older news, but after Russia unbans Bitcoin mining, is China set to unban it as well? Very, very strong chance. All this bullish news being said, guys, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, anticipating we're going to see some crazy price spikes for Bitcoin. Not only Bitcoin, but meme coins as well. Talking about meme coins, I want to quickly highlight this meme coin project that's been going crazy. Already raised $6 million in its pre-sale alone. This is a pre-sale token. It's called Play Doge. It takes Dogecoin and Tamagotchi, puts it together. So the ultimate play to earn game that brings a iconic Dogecoin meme to life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. So if you like play to earn, you like Dogecoin, you like meme coins, this is a perfect opportunity to buy and load up. The whole premise of the channel, guys, is to bring you opportunities to potentially make money. Not that any of this is financial advice, but we on the channel 99B are loading up in Play Doge, and you might want to load up on some Play Doge as well. It's looking pretty bullish. Again, we wouldn't talk about it in a Bitcoin video if we weren't very confident about this project. They have a solid roadmap in place, great tokenomics and staking as well. Earn up to 80% AP, which is not too shabby in this current market. That being said, guys, we're very bullish for Bitcoin on the channel right now, and we're anticipating to see some crazy pumps by Friday. So you let us know in the comment section below if you're loading up. That wraps the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.